Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to another favorites. I'm excited, we're wrapping up the month and I wanted to share with you what my favorites were for this month of May. Can you guys believe that it is almost June? I feel like everyone says that, but like it's true. This month went by so freaking quick and it's kind of crazy because it's a long month. But anywho, oh awesome, my air conditioner just turned off. Anywho, I wanted to share with you what I've been loving. So let's first start with some beauty favorites. So these first two things I actually picked up from the VIB sale, which happened in April, but I've been in love with this month. So this is the Laneige, however you say it, lip treatment balm. This stuff is so good. I picked up this because I've had the lip sleeping mask and that stuff lasts forever. I still have one, or I still have like maybe half of one left, but I still wanted to try this out. I thought this was gonna be more of a nighttime balm, but honestly, I feel like this could be more of an on-the-go balm because, well, first of all, it's like an opal-y sort of finish, but it has, which I love, the other one comes with a wand like this, but it doesn't like connect. So this is really awesome. So it comes with like a rubberized silicone wand, and I actually won't put some on. But I do like putting this on at night, but I honestly have been putting it on during the day. And then it's super cool because it just snaps right back in there. It smells really fruity and nice, and it gives a good shine to the lips, but I also feel like it's insanely hydrating. So I've been loving this thing. It also has like a little bit of like a mint plump sort of thing. Not a plumping, but I don't know the effect of it, but like a cooling effect, so let's put it that way. This thing I also picked up, one of you guys recommended me to try this out for like reapplying SPF before my walks, and I've been loving it. So this is the It Cosmetics CC, which I already love, their CC cream, which I use every single day. This is the Airbrush Perfecting Powder, and it does have SPF in it, even though it says it doesn't. There is zinc oxide in it, which is a mineral SPF if you struggle with dark spots from aging, acne, whatever it is, mostly aging. You need a mineral physical sunscreen, not a chemical. It's not going to stop those spots from becoming darker. So this specifically I apply like in this area and then down here where I tend to get dark spots from melasma, all that stuff. So this stuff has been amazing. It layers over my makeup so nicely. You could definitely use this as a powder foundation. I just enjoy layering it over like when I'm trying to reapply SPF. So I love this, especially before walks. I had to mention this. I also purchased this from the Beauty Insider sale. This is the Chanel Eau Tendre. Just get it with this cap and not the clear cap. This is the Parfum. The other one's the Eau de Toilette, I think. I don't know. I think that's what it is though. This stuff smells so freaking good, and I get so many compliments when I wear this fragrance. I love it. I wish I got the bigger size, but this will last me a really long time. This actually stays on me. I feel like a lot of perfumes just like go away, and this stuff is honestly amazing. I swear, I love this stuff. It's pricey, but it's a really good scent, and I think it's nice for like spring, summertime, but it's also got like a night sort of, I don't know, I'm bad at describing fragrances, but it's good. Let's get into hair care. I've already mentioned these before to you guys. I've been obsessed with these. These are the Kristen I don't know, from Target. So this is the one purple shampoo and the one purple conditioner. These are so good. They're so good. I feel like a lot of purple products can really dry out the hair because they're kind of stripping the like follicle and also putting color on it. So I feel like it can be a little drying for the hair, but I have not noticed that. With this conditioner, is freaking phenomenal. I'm obsessed with it. So these two together have been a dream for me in the shower. I've really been enjoying them. I only use them maybe once a week, once every other week, depending on how ashy I want my hair, but this stuff it's really, really good. Next hair product we have is my hot rollers. So I did a I did like a hair care situation routine in one of my vlogs, and I mentioned that I started playing with rollers again, and I did want a larger barrel, but honestly I've been just playing around with these, using the larger ones and a couple of the mediums, and just not leaving them on as long and using more hair, and I feel like you're able to get more of a blown out sort of look. I have been loving these all over again. It's like if you master it and get it right, it's like a blowout. It's so big and voluminous. The other time I showed on the channel, it was very curly. I like big loose waves that are like, look like somebody blew it out with a round brush. These are amazing. So I will link this set down below. Again, you can play around with it and you can get tight curls if you want, but you can also do like very loose sort of like blowout looks with it. I'm obsessed with those. I mentioned these earrings in my Amazon favorites, but it was unboxing. So, I mean, I liked them at first go, but I've been wearing the heck out of these. So these are the little like twist. Let me show you. You can see they're little like huggies. They're so tiny. I can feel them in my ears, which I don't normally love, but I feel like they're a great transition, a huggy. If you're used to studs and wear studs all the time, I think you would actually really enjoy these. These are nice quality. They're heavy, but not too heavy for the earlobes, and they're so cute. So I've been obsessed with these little earrings, and that's saying a lot because I've worn these earrings since I was 21 every single day. So I've been mixing those in, especially when I'm getting a little more dressed up. Those are like awesome. We've got some fashion situations. So I know I have a pair of jeans, and I get that it's like getting to be summer, but there are still days that I can wear jeans, especially out at night and stuff like that. And I've been really getting into that whole like out of the skinny jean trend and into like the boyfriendy sort of trend. And these are the Everlane, the cheeky jean. I thoroughly enjoy these. When I saw these on the website, I was like, oh, I'll order them, but I don't think I'm gonna like them, to be honest with you, because they looked just very stiff, and they're stiff, but all in the right places, and they're so nice. The quality is really good. I love the rips. They're above the knee, so when you bend down, you can actually bend down. You don't feel like you're gonna push your like knees through the holes, which is a huge pet peeve of mine. So I love that about that. They have the raw hem at the bottom. I love the color of this. I feel like the color just gets better and better the more you wash it. I love that sort of faded medium wash. These have been so good. The quality is so nice. I feel like it's like a Levi's jean, and it's like 60 bucks. These are so good. These have been becoming a staple for me. I love these with bodysuits. I love this with just plain white t-shirts. These are just like amazing quality jeans. If you've not tried Everlane's jeans, go get them. The summer jean is also one of my absolute favorites. The relaxed, super relaxed summer jean. I just ordered it in white. Awesome. So soft. Literally, you feel like you're wearing sweatpants. Okay, I've mentioned this. Let me tie this up. This bathing suit, and I actually showed it in a recent vlog. I purchased this a while ago, and Abercrombie is just like re-hitting the scene in terms of their, I don't know, they're just becoming super relevant again, and for good reasons. The quality of their clothes has always been amazing. They're coming out with more fashion forward pieces, and I feel like they're more inclusive as a brand now, which we love that. We love a brand that admits when they messed up in the past and they get better. And I love that because I worked for Abercrombie for a million years, and I love the quality of their clothes. So their bathing suits are no exception. So I showed, this are the bottoms. These bottoms, you need them. I honestly could have sized up to a medium, and I wish I had. For reference, I'm about a 26, but my hips are just a little bit wider after having Arlo. But these are so flattering and so cute, and I love the brown, honestly. And then the top, you can kind of mix and match and get different. I should have tied this up before I did this. Sorry, guys. You can kind of mix and match, and they have a bunch of different patterns as well, but I really loved, I tried the underwire top and didn't love that on me, but I loved the like square neck top right here. This is so cute. And you tie them in the back, which is awesome because you can adjust it based off how big you are, how wide you are, but it also has straps to tighten the straps, or adjustments to tighten the straps. So this is such a good bathing suit. So good. I'm so excited to wear this all summer long. Very flattering, but also super practical. Okay, you saw my Amazon favorites. You saw my next two that I'm gonna mention, but I had to mention them again because I've literally been living in them. These are the running, walking shorts situation. I'm not running in them, I'm walking in them, but they're by CRZ Yoga. They have the built-in spandex shorts underneath. These are so good for walking. These are so good for literally everything in the summer because you feel like you're like tucked in, but you're like covered. I don't know how to explain it. It's like you have the feeling of wearing spandex shorts, which is great, but sometimes you just don't want it all out there for everybody. These are amazing. They have the side pocket for your phone in the spandex, which is awesome. And then they also have the back zipper. These are so good. You need these. You need these. Okay. The other Amazon favorite I have is this cropped hoodie or sweatshirt, not hoodie. I love this purpley blue color. I think it's actually called blue, but I'm not sure. I've just been loving cropped hoodies. I don't know who I am when I started loving cropped things, but when you wear high-waisted everything, it's not like your stomach is hanging out. Only the good part is hanging out. But I've been loving throwing these on after the gym with my leggings, and so I can like go and run errands and do stuff, and it's just like you feel more covered. The quality of this sweatshirt is amazing. So it's super soft, and I love the raw hem. It's so cool. So I love this. I did get a small in this. Honestly, I could have sized up. The sleeves are a little bit short, so if you're in between sizes, size up. The quality is amazing. I literally wash this all the time, and it's still so thick and beautiful, and I love the color of this. I just feel like it's so springtime. Another shirt that I talked about, I believe this month, earlier this month, or maybe at the end of April, is this ribbed tee that I picked up from Target. I ordered this already in more colors. You guys also have been loving it, so yeah, this thing is so good. It's just so flattering, tucked in, really nice. It's a tight top, and it accentuates all the good things. It's got longer sleeves. It's really cute. I love this color. It comes in a million different colors, and it's like $8. Don't walk, run. You need this. It's really, really good quality as well. Okay, we've got some random bits. I have to mention this. I know I mentioned these last month, I want to say. Got the watermelon flavor. Okay, also I wanted to mention it, this isn't sponsored, but they did give me a coupon code for you guys, and then through, I want to say Memorial Day, so through Monday, I'll leave the details listed down below, you get 30% off. So if you are interested in this, free shipping, 30% off. These are awesome. I catch myself drinking one a day now. Especially if I did like a hard workout or was outside for a while, like these are just so refreshing and have really helped me, especially midday when I'm like exhausted and I need to pick me up. These have been coming in clutch. So the watermelon, awesome flavor. Let me know what your guys' favorite flavor is down below. I've been loving I love the tangerine, and I love the watermelon so far. I have a bunch of other flavors to try out, but those are the two that I've tried and love. This is a random one. This was my Mother's Day gift, and this is called the Nyx Play. It's one of those digital picture frames. I didn't realize how much I loved this. So it comes with a remote, which is cool. It magnets to the back. You can hang this, you can, whatever you want to do, sideways, upside down, whatever. It comes with an app, or it has an app that goes on your phone, and you load pictures to it, which is really, really cool. I didn't realize, like, it was such a thoughtful gift. Like, I never would have got this for myself, but Scott was like, you always love to look back at old pictures of Arlo and see how cute he was, and I will literally sit in bed and look at pictures. So if you're a new mom, or maybe grandparents would be a great idea, like, this gift is so cool, because you get to look back and be like, oh my God, and Arlo actually likes to look at the pictures as well. I think he likes to look at himself, but it's really cool. I think these are just awesome gifts. So yeah, fun little Mother's Day gift. I was so surprised. I had no idea what he was gonna get me, but I was really happy with that. So he adds pictures, I add pictures, and they all play, and it's really cool. And then one last thing I wanted to mention, this isn't they're both favorites, but DermStore, this, again, not sponsored. I literally was on Instagram the other day, and I saw like DermStore was doing 20% off like their entire website. Not everything, I think most everything. So good. They have like all Sunday Riley, Obagi, they have like everything on there. So I will leave it listed down below. I just got my package in yesterday, or today, honestly. It's downstairs, or I would grab it, but I'm gonna show you what I ordered anyways. I just ordered my like favorites, but because I don't need a ton, it came in 2 days. Priority free, 2-day shipping. It was amazing. So if you're interested and need to re-up on anything, check it out. If you missed the Sephora VIB, this is a great time to, like, you know, get the things you needed, or they don't sell there. So for me, I got the things they don't sell at Sephora. So I had just run out of this today. I used my last pump. This is the Elta MD skincare sunscreen tinted. I live by this stuff. It's so, so good. So I got this 20% off, yes, amazing. And then my DHC Cleansing Oil, again, I use this every single night. It's normally, I wanna say $29 and I got it on sale, so yay! So those are the two things that I just purchased from DermStore. Like I said, I will leave that linked down below if you guys are interested in taking advantage of the sale. Not sponsored, just wanted to let you know of some good deals. So those are all my favorites. I hope you guys enjoyed. I hope y'all had a great month of May and are excited for June. I'm excited for it because we leave to go to New York at the end of June, which I'm excited to see family. So I love you guys so much and I'll see you all in my next video.